everything you need is already available to you. So whether that it's about believing that things are going to work out, you know, that trust is deep on the inside. You just got to tap into it and stop worrying about the outcome. Be clear on the outcome that you want. But when we hold on to the outcome, when we're so fixated on the outcome, guess what? It will take longer to come. It will take longer to manifest. And you're going to be living in a scarcity mindset. So be clear on what you want to achieve. Be clear on your outcome and the results. But don't stifle them. Don't hold on and latch on to them so tightly that you put yourself in bondage to those things that you want. Be clear. Tap into the vision. Tap into the feelings. But let go. Let go and let God. And when you let go, it now starts to allow everything that needs to shift into place, and the people that need to come into place for your manifestation or whatever your desires, your goals, your dreams to start to appear or start to manifest will start. Because now you've given yourself permission. You know that you have everything you need, and you've let go of the outcome. You've let go of the results. And you've let go so that the way can be made clear for those things to come. And finally, I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm giving you 7 ways that you can live in your alignment every single day. Live in alignment to your calling every single day. I'll give you a bonus. When you wake up in the morning, before you do anything, spend time with yourself. I know I mentioned about, tapping in and finding out what's really of utmost importance to you for the day. But really get clear before you reach for the phone or the laptop. I mean, those are the last things you should be reaching for when you wake up every day, or the last thing at night. Because you really want to tap in. And I know that you are a purpose-driven woman. You're called to make a big impact in the world. And you are here, you're a visionary. You are here to make a difference in the lives of others. And the calling on your life is not something that, that doesn't carry any value. I mean, all of our callings do. But sometimes we are called to have a greater impact. So really set your day off in the right way by getting still every morning before you jump out of bed. Spend time alone, spend time meditating, spend time praying, spend time expressing gratitude because you're alive, you've been given another day, you're blessed. And then really focusing on your vision, your mission, and about the people you're here to serve, and about the life that you're creating. Because at the end of the day, that life that you want to that you dream of, you are a co-creator in that life as well. So I hope that these 7 + 1 bonus ways in terms of living in alignment to your calling every day has served you, and this video has been of value to you. If it has been, please share with someone. Please share it with someone that you know it would help if they're on a path that they're not sure how to live in an alignment into their calling and purpose every single day. Do share it with them. And if you're new to the family here, this channel, join the family. I'd love to have you by subscribing. I post videos 3 times a week, and it's, my forte is about money, manifestation, and really calling in that life that you desire, and really co-creating that life that you want and that you dream of. And it's also about your mindset. Mindset is 80% of everything.